Something big is happening in Clearwater. The future of energy independence has arrived. Welcome to ACDCev. ACDCev specializes in heavy-duty engineering with green energy DNA. We design lithium and sodium battery packs for electric vehicles and advanced battery energy storage systems. Our expertise ranges from custom EV development to home and business solar solutions. In 2014, we deployed the first all-electric 80-passenger school bus in Gilroy, California. This proof of concept utilized an 850-volt system and could fast charge in under 4 hours directly off our custom solar grid, demonstrating industrial-scale public transit solutions. We beat legacy auto to the punch by developing the first working all-electric F-150. This proved that heavy-duty platforms can be hybridized with electric motor assemblies, maintaining capabilities like true towing and highway speeds, utilizing 90% OEM parts. We deliver uncompromising industrial power for commercial freight. Our system features an 850-volt cab over Class 4, with an electric motor assembly and a 4-speed Allison transmission. It provides immense torque and continuous power, even climbing the steepest hills. We take commercial-grade technology and scale it for your home. The ACDCev proprietary energy core uses the same ultra-reliable 850-volt industrial truck engineering for high-capacity energy solutions for your home, RV, and golf cart. Upgrade your ride's power core with advanced lithium and new sodium battery packs for golf carts and RVs. Our flagship lithium pack offers 51.2 volts and 105 amp hours, providing drop-in commercial reliability that is lighter, safer, and more powerful than lead-acid batteries. Introducing the complete home energy ecosystem, a closed-loop power plant for your home. The system includes a 2 kilowatt solar array, a 5 kilowatts hybrid inverter for energy management, and a 5 kilowatts battery backup for storage. Capture solar energy and store it for grid failures. Choose endless power over finite fuel. ACDCev Storage provides free, endless solar energy with zero maintenance fees and 100% silent operation, offering instant, automatic switchover. Unlike loud gas generators with high maintenance and expensive, finite fuel. Our battery energy storage system is an active financial asset with a 3 to 5 year payoff engine. The $7,900 fixed cost is offset daily by solar energy capture, drastically reducing utility bills. The tipping point is reached in 3 to 5 years, after which it is pure profit. Claim your energy independence today. The grid is fragile, and storms are coming. Secure commercial-grade endless power for your home. Mention this ad to receive free solar for your home by visiting freesolar.ai.